Hi fashion lovers, welcome back to Shamish Learning. I'm Zabaish Abdi and today I am going to show you how to create bishop sleeves pattern with easy steps. This method will help you perfect your design before moving on a fabric. Let's jump into the video. To draft this pattern, you will need two sheets of paper, a ruler, measuring tape or scale, pencil or marker, scissor, sellotape to keep your paper in place. We will start with the basic sleeves pattern. First, draw a vertical line on the paper. Then, on both sides of this line, mark 1 centimeter and draw vertical lines. After that, take 2 centimeters on each side and draw another set of vertical lines. These lines will guide us in creating the fullness of the bishop sleeves pattern. Now let's work on the cuff. From the bottom of the sleeves pattern, measure 6 cm and mark it. Cut along the line to create space for the cuff. And one important thing is the cuff size is really up to you. So feel free to adjust it according to you, according to your design version. So it's totally up to you. Now using scissor, cut along the 4 vertical lines. This will allow us to spread the sleeves pattern later to create that beautiful gathered effect of bishop sleeves. piece of paper and draw a vertical line down the center. This will serve as a base for spreading the sleeves. Now match the center line of your sleeves pattern with the line on the new paper and then secure it in place with the sellotape to prevent it from moving. With the center line secured, begin spreading the sleeves by creating a 4 centimeter gap between each section. This spreading is what gives the bishop sleeves its fullness. So once you have got this spread just right, trace the new pattern onto the paper. Finally, cut out the new pattern you have just traced, and there you have it. Your bishop sleeves pattern is ready. One thing that I would like to say is that
Please, I'm begging you. Please. I'm desperate. I don't know what to do. Please subscribe.
so yes, please subscribe to my channel, and this pattern is now ready to be used for sewing. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Shamish Learning, and let me know in the comment if there is a specific pattern you would like to see next. So thank you so much.